my definition of balance is changing. I no longer think balance means being able to do every single thing simultaneously without losing steam. I mean, you're not a robot, and even robots overheat when they're overworked. But balance is having the wisdom to know what to focus on per time and knowing how to delegate the rest or keep them aside to deal with later.
Brush just a little bit. Just going to go on with this for my hair. This perfume and yeah. I'm going to school now and I'm currently wearing my t-shirt from my e-commerce store. I don't know, a couple of you probably know that I own an e-commerce store by now, and it's been like since almost 2 years now. And this is a shirt from the brand Upstate. You can just check it out on IG. But anyways, I'm going to school today. I want to catch up on my project, and also I want to catch up on my group work. We're currently going to a school, a primary school. Generally going to go there and put these kids through theater in education, basically having them to role play, script reading, and just mirroring out life, especially issues that is like, you know, affecting them. Yeah, we're just going to be putting these kids through them with themes of maybe having to be obedient to your parents, having to not bully others, having to, you know, be kind. So all of these themes are just what we're trying to like put through with these kids. And yeah, I'm really excited to go on with this one. It's not a challenge at all because I love children so much, but yeah, it can be a little bit trying to get kids together, especially telling them what to do. But anyways, yeah, let's not make this video too long. I'll be seeing you guys in school. Please don't go anywhere and stay tuned to the end of the video. I love you guys. Bye.
Baby, when I look in your eyes, I can see you as a child. The river gives us every good thing, and then it takes it all away. Don't take me away from you. Don't take me away from you. I feel like I knew you then, when I was a little boy. I spent my days imagining the shape it would all take, and now it takes the shape of you. Everything takes the shape of you. Oh, my source of love and fear. If I could lose them,
greatest of all time, I mean it. Overcame all my hard times and demons. Trust me, it wasn't easy. My greatest flex is knowing I'm blessed beyond my achievements. If I die today, my brothers pick up wherever I leave, but I'm good. The fam straight, my girl straight, then I'm straight, so let's get it. It come to fees, you come to free, and Master P is no limits. Growing up, my mama told me, watch these hoes and these women, they come and go. So when you blow, you gotta hold your position, that's what they pay me for. Look at your baby boys, all grown up, they gotta pay me to see me. Most wanted list, only time when I see niggas on TV, which makes me wonder and question, what do you see when you see me, huh? Either way, I'm not afraid of being judged, because I'm loved by my fam and all my people from above. Screaming LLVJ, window down on the freeway, smiling at the clouds, I hope you see me. So tell me, are you proud? This ain't the hood, it's just some shit I need to get off my chest. Why do I still feel alone when I've been gracefully blessed? My uncle told me I'm the GOAT and I can't fail cause I'm next. I know his words of encouragement actually got me stressed. This ain't the hood, this just some shit I need to get off my chest. Like why can't I just find the time to work things out with my ex? I need a minute just to breathe and let my soul readjust. Just know that I'm doing my best. So tell me, are you proud?
Tell me, what does it mean to you? Everything that you do. Tell me, has it mean so much? What does it mean to you? Tell me. Tell me, what does
one, action.
You guys should do your normal thing. The moment
Hey guys, so we're almost at the end of the vlog, and I just want to say a very big thank you to all of you for watching up to this point, and also subscribe if you haven't. I love you guys so much. Really hope to see you in my next one, where I'll be hustling and pulling all-nighters for my exams. Right, our exams are coming up and I'm in my finals, so expect to see more of study vlogs on this channel. I'll see you soon. Bye.